let's zoom into this a little bit more and focus on US, Korea, and Japan. In this case, we'll focus on the top 1% income share. And you can see that for the U.S., inequality starts to increase in 70s, jumps up in the 80s, and it remains very high throughout the 1990s and 2000s. Now, if you look into Japan, Japan often has many similarities with Korea in terms of industry organization, the type of goods that they produce, the corporate management styles that existed. But we see this diversion in late 1990s. Japan, we see a slight increase, but Korea, we see a jump in terms of inequality, right? Zooming into that a little bit more, you can see that this divergence actually happens late in the 1990s, around 1997 or 8 or so. So this is a good case to try to understand what might be driving, looking into this time period, or might shed light on the drivers of economic inequality within South Korea.